So here's the review of the Ridgeland, Kent Ridgeland 700C hybrid bike. I put about 60 miles on it so far. Basically ride it from my house about 4 miles over to the Lakeshore path in Chicago. And then I go up and down the path, I'd say about 12 miles every ride or so. So far so good. I have actually had absolutely no issues with it. First thing I did is just remove all the stickers, all the unnecessary gear. Just try to make it as light as possible. Still somewhat heavy. It's a little heavier than the last Avesta I had, but I'm honestly shocked for 150 bucks. The bike handles extremely well, super quiet. Brakes aren't the best. I would suggest upgrading them. What I did to it is I just moved the handlebars up a little bit so they're a little closer to me, and put the seat up about 1.5 inches, I'd say. Added a couple of lights, one in the front, one in the back, just cheap $3 lights from Amazon. And so far so good. No issues. Chain hasn't come loose. Back brakes work perfect. Very quiet. Really shocked at how nice of a bike it is for 150 bucks. I'm gonna ride it through the summer, see if anything does break. I'll update it, probably change it a little bit. It's a pretty fast bike. You can keep up with most everybody. Of course the guys on the $8,000 bikes are going to be passing you, but keep up with traffic, and it gets going really quick. Just put a little power to it, and you'll be surprised at how well it rides. So third ride so far so good. You take it back on the street here to get back home. A lot more bumps there, so no issues. Tires did go flat just a tiny bit, but keep a pump with me, and then I just keep inflating them. Only had to inflate them once so far, so not really a real complaint. So yeah, if you're considering getting one, whether it's something for exercise or something for a commute, I would suggest you just go for it. It's totally worth it, and for 150 bucks, if you don't like it, you can probably just throw it back on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, and somebody will come pick it up probably for the exact same amount. Gets a lot of looks, and it's pretty bright, so everyone can really see it when you're riding wherever you're riding. So again, if you're considering the bike, the Kent Ridgeland hybrid, I say go for it. Lovely bike, great commuter, and absolutely great for exercise. Good luck.